The creation of immense heat is essential to hundreds of industrial processes throughout the world. High-temperature, controllable processing is just one of the cost-effective benefits for the many companies using the Torbed technology to create new and unique products, which then generate increased profits. One such company is Cape Industrial Products. William Farrell, Director and General Manager, is quoted as saying that the Torbed reactor has been one of the best capital investments that Cape has made. Another company in the same group, Cape Boards Limited, also installed a Torbed reactor. Essential to their manufacturing process is the expansion of crude vermiculite, which is then used in the company's fire protection and industrial insulation products. Traditionally, this process was carried out in 3 double rotary furnaces, with a total capacity of 1.5 tons per hour. But the process consumed a great deal of energy, was labour-intensive, and was costly to maintain, with unacceptable atmospheric emissions, as well as an unpleasant working environment. This all changed once they installed a single Torbed 1000 reactor. The reactor is configured for continuous processing of up to 2 tons per hour, with the absolute minimum of operator attendance. The raw material is processed at high temperatures, which can be up to 1300 degrees centigrade. It's the rapid vaporization of the water within the vermiculite that causes the required expansion, rather like popcorn. The reactor automatically adjusts the feed rate to ensure the expanded material is of a consistent quality, because the water content of the vermiculite ore can vary widely. Cape Boards have found that by installing a Torbed reactor, they have greatly reduced fuel costs, improved working conditions, eliminated uncontrolled emissions and almost all spillage and wastage, as well as improving the reliability and availability of the process to 95% or more, and can now operate the system unmanned. So how does a Torbed reactor work, and what added advantages and opportunities can it bring to so many industries? The Torbed process was invented by Chris Dodson, the Managing Director of TORFTECH Limited, and together with Paul Gamble, now Managing Director of Torbed Services Limited, jointly developed the technology. In 1982, they realized that the mineral industry required a precise but flexible high-temperature heat exchanger to replace traditional plant, such as 12-meter-high vertical furnaces. Although the Torbed technology was originally designed for one specific application, it soon became clear that it could be used in other industries. Its ability to create conditions in which consistent and rapid heat exchange could take place made it an obvious candidate to supersede some existing applications. Like many good ideas, the Torbed process is extremely simple. At its heart is a cylindrical process chamber. A cone sits at its centre, surrounded by fixed blades through which jets of hot air or gas are fired. The raw material enters the process chamber from above. As it falls towards the blades, it's blasted by high-velocity jets of hot gas. The force of these jets creates a suspended layer of particles which hovers above the blades and causes the bed to rotate around the chamber, twisting and mixing as it moves round. It's this twisting and mixing motion that ensures each particle is subjected to the precise amount of heat passing through the bed, creating the rapid heat transfer unique to the Torbed. Most materials are only in the chamber for a matter of seconds. It is perhaps just this adaptability that has enabled the Torbed process to be used in many different applications throughout the world. The mineral, food and petrochemical industries are but a few. In the aluminium smelting industry, 13 gas scrubbing plants incorporating Torbed 6000s were commissioned for operation in New Zealand. They were transported by barge and road, by day and through the night, to the smelting plant, where they now treat 3.6 million cubic meters per hour of contaminated exhaust gases. The Torbed reactors have more than proved their worth. They combine unique adsorption properties and operational flexibility with substantial savings in capital and operating costs. The Torbed reactor, a new technique to revolutionize the processing of minerals, foods, chemicals and waste. Its low initial capital cost means a short payback period, and once installed, they are economical to operate, both in terms of energy input and staffing levels. But above all, the Torbed technology can provide companies with unthought-of opportunities to increase profits through the development of unique products.